Alright, it's 8 o'clock. Hi, hello. Let me go over here. Bam! Be a hi, hello. Hi, welcome. Man, I should have started studying earlier, but like, man, I'm a bum. Man, I'm a bum. Anyways, sniffle, sniffle, sniffle. Let me put on something in the background real quick. And then, I have Krita open. Hello, it's been a hot minute. Hello, welcome in. Welcome, welcome. But yeah, today... Yeah, it has been a hot minute. Okay, I'm like scrolling through my YouTube looking for something. Literally anything. Sure, there. Anyways, but yeah, welcome in everybody who's popping in. I'm doing college study. Or at the very least, I will do it in a second. I'm busy eating food. There we go. Anyways, let me turn on... There we go. Hey guys. Yeah, so we're gonna do this for a bit. I'm just gonna sit here and yap for a bit. Food sounds good right now. But yeah, so I got pasta. But yeah. So I don't remember how long it's been since you've been here, but I've gotten like at least one or two more YouTuber models since you've been in here. I've been eating for most of today, to be honest. I feel like sometimes lately I'll just like forget to eat. It's been a few months, yeah. But yeah, I've like... What are my toggles? I actually don't remember what my toggles are. Oh, that's what my toggles are. Oh. But yeah, so I got this little deck box on this side. And then, what else? Oh. Okay, I have this like... Oh, it's like being blocked by my phone camera. There we go. Not my phone camera, but my... I have it labeled as phone despite the fact that it's very not clearly phone. Who this? Bro's playing with fire again today. But yeah, hello, welcome, welcome. Hand cam, food hand cam. But yeah. Okay, there's my dual gazer. What else did I toggle on? There we go. Okay, so it's the middle three. Boom. And then that, and then... There's a fifth one. Oh, the fifth one is tights. The fifth one is tights. That's what it is. But yeah, anyways. There we go. You're sending me back to straight to my first year of uni with that stream title? Yup, we're going over recursion, stacks, queues. Okay, the first one I should be mentioning is linked lists, stacks, queues, binary trees, and recursion. As well as everything else I've been covering this semester. But yeah, I'm like gonna finish real quick. I can tell you we never use recursion in the real world. I think I've heard that somewhere where you don't actually really use recursion. I think it's cool anyways, to be honest. And like, what's it called? I should still learn it anyways because college points and shit. But yeah. NASA specifically bans recursion. Huh. Recursion is important, though. But yeah, what's it called? My mind's already fried from 3 days of ISATs. Dude, I never had to do any like crazy standardized testing. And like, oh my god. I would have been fried. I would have been absolutely fried by any kind of standardized testing at all. You need to understand it because it'll make you a better programmer. You'll also understand when to avoid when you can. Yeah, because like, I feel like... I think you told me before, but generally, just knowing the more you know, the better when it comes to like computer science specifically. Because like, even if something you know is useless, then you know it's useless. So like, for example, like you said, like recursion, you'll know when to avoid it and shit. Where is... Okay, there it is. It's the most recent one. The science one killed my mind because it included all types of sciences. Okay, like we also... I think I had like the ACT or something. I can't remember. But like it was like in the junior year of my high school. And like, dude, the science section is always bullshit because it's just, oh, science. And then it's just like, there's no preparing for it. There's no preparing for it. It's just literally anything and everything. Anything goes. And it's just bullshit. There's no studying for it. It's just, you just have to pray you can read decently well and make educated guesses. Please don't use AI until you have a good grasp of things. What's good? Yeah, I don't like really using AI. What's it called? one time, I guess like, was it one time for one assignment, like, what's it called? I was basically done with it, but there was this like weird edge case thing I literally could not figure out for the life of me. Like my buddy and I were like bashing our heads against the wall, trying to figure out what we were supposed to do, and it was like 30 minutes till the deadline. Everything else was hooked up, but like we were just missing, I was missing just like maybe 4 to 6 points off of like one bug. And like, I used AI like that one time, but like generally I don't like using it like in my general workflow because it's annoying as shit. But yeah. Like, I'm like so scared of the moment I start using AI, I'll stop like actually thinking. Cause like, I'm already like lazy as shit. Like using AI will like do irreparable damage to my brain. I feel the same way. Cause like, what's it called? Like if there's like a class that's bullshit and like it's not worth my time, then like sure, why not? But what's it called? Dude, I have like discrete math as a freshman, and like, oh my lord. Discrete math 1 is kicking my ass right now. It's like, okay, the concepts are not too bad, it's just like the grading policy and the professor are like really annoying. Claude Opus is impressive, but also generates garbage half the time too, lmao. Hello. I found that Claude generally isn't too bad. And like, what's it called? I have like a data analysis class that's literally just probability. As like a sort of experimental 100 level class. I'm like one of the first people to actually take it. And like, as much as it sounds really cool, I guess, it's like, I feel so underqualified. Cause it's like really difficult, like super involved math. Because it's probability and shit. I'm like, what's it called? The lectures don't feel like they cover exactly what's on the homework. And for the homework, I felt like I just kind of had to like read the textbook myself. And I don't like reading textbooks, which is probably not a good thing. I'm like a college student. I should be like used to that already. Be right back? Yeah. Also, thanks for liking whoever did. I'm like, usually what I'll do for that class, because like I feel like if I were to like attempt to do shit on my own, I'm genuinely in over my head. I'll take like a screenshot of like a problem for like maybe one concept and like plug it into Claude and then sort of like check Claude's work against what's in the textbook. So instead of just like reading straight through instead of just like raw dogging a textbook, I'll like take what I see from Claude, see if I can like find what it's talking about in the textbook, and then read from the textbook and just use it as a sort of like jumping off point to find out where to actually like start reading. Because it's like textbooks are like so like dense and shit. It's like, what's it called? It's just kind of a, what's it called? At the very least, I'll be sat there for like maybe a reasonable amount of hours instead of like my entire afternoon. Also, hi, welcome if anyone's popped in. Wait, I forgot to put this up. Hold on. There we go. Huzzah, Din first. Okay. There we go. Yeah, I'm feeling like fairly confident, but that's just because like I just feel like I'm good at comp sci. Well, not good at comp sci. It's like it's the only class I have that I feel like if I were to put like that I feel like if I just pay attention in class, I can just pick up. And like, what's it called? To a certain degree, yeah. But I feel like now that I'm in like college and stuff, I'm back. Hello, welcome in. I feel like now that I'm in college, like the content matter, like the subject matter gets like a lot more complex. So you kind of have to actually spend time like absorbing things. So like just paying attention in lecture isn't enough, which is fair. But what's it called? What was I gonna say? Yeah, I was just like filling time while I finished the noodles. The pasta. My mom made a shit ton of pasta recently with me eating this the past couple days, and honestly, it's been so good. It's kind of nice when my mom makes like any kind of dish that's like leftoversable for like a couple days, because then I don't have to really worry about a lot of times like during the week we'll just kind of have like a ton of like leftovers in the fridge and just kind of eat whatever, and it's kind of nice for just like doing whatever with my time. But yeah, I feel like this entire day I should have been studying more, low-key. And to eat, but I didn't got much because I didn't got much to eat because my fridge broke. 07, dude. Are you gonna like get repaired or something soon? At least I hope you do. I feel like it's not something I think about too often. Like a fridge is like genuinely so important. Like it sounds so obvious, but like what's it called? When you really think about it, fridges are like actually goated. Cause like if you didn't have one, you wouldn't be able to like hold so many different kinds of foods. You'd be like so limited. Cause like so many things like spoil and shit. But I was just gonna get a new one because you said it so many times already. It's just more worth it to get a new one. Yeah, that's completely fair. Dude, I want a mini fridge so bad. Like I literally have no reason to. Cause like I feel like mini fridges are just cool. It's just like there's one in the kitchen anyways. But like just having one in my room would be so sick. Just like keep my own stash of leftovers, so I don't have to even go to the kitchen. But yeah, I tried doing some push-ups and squats the other day, and like, what's it called? I was barely able to manage 10. I told myself like, hey, I'm gonna do like 10 push-ups like every other day or something, and like slowly work my way up. But like, what's it called? Oh, it's my chin. Oh my goodness, it's my chin. There we go. Good coffee, what I miss? Not really too much. I just like sat here yapping, eating spaghetti. Pasta. A mini fridge with a microwave on top of it. That's the, dude. That's the dream. That's the dream. That's all you need, bro. Like, mini fridge, microwave, and then like, mini fridge, microwave, rice cooker. Also, hi, welcome if any popped in. But yeah, I know it's like not an ideal lifestyle, but something about having like, what's it called? Something about the idea of living in like an apartment with like one room, one bath or something, and you just have like a fucking table, and you have to fill it with shit. Something about that is kind of alluring to me. I don't know why. Like, just having everything like arm's reach, like your fridge, your microwave, maybe like a hot plate or something to cook shit on. It's like, realistically, I shouldn't want to live in something like that, but like, I don't know. But yeah, the house I live in right now is pretty like open concept. And like, I kind of wish, what's it called? Open concept is like cool and all, but I kind of wish we had more walls, you know? Like, I like having rooms. Cause like, what's it called? I guess it's nice that like the living room, the kitchen, and everything are super connected. It's like, I feel like, is it weird to think that my living room is too big? No, the living room can never be too big, it's just what's it called? Because it's like open concept-y, like, our house is like mainly open concept, and there's like a hallway where my room and my brother's room are. And like, it feels like, also, the best apartments aren't small, they're small enough that there's no wasted space. Yeah, like, that's kind of what I mean. Also, hi, welcome, by the way. And it's like, most of the house is open concept, and then there's like a hallway where my room and my brother's room are. So it's like there's this huge like disconnect between like most of the house and then our, you know. And like, because there's like I feel more comfortable like in my room, right? It's like a room. It's not open concept. Like, what's it called? Something instincts telling you to not be out in the open and shit, right? So it's like because the rest of the house is like sort of like open concepty. I don't like. It's not that I don't like the house. It's like, what's it called? I feel less it's not incentivized. I feel less inclined to like go out to the rest of the house because it's like open and wide as opposed to like my room, right? I feel okay. This is like, it's like I feel like there's like a lot of people who like yeah, it's obvious, but like what's it called? It basically I'm trying to say that like the fact that like the fact that like a whole chunk of my house, like the fact that a whole chunk of the house that I live in is like the whole chunk of our house is like open concept, and then my room is like very like exact opposite of it makes it feel like what's it called? Brain off, head empty. I feel the same way, but my house isn't completely open concept. It's just sort of it's like my house is like not completely open concept. It's like I feel like if the house that I was in was more open concepty, there wouldn't be like a tiny ass hallway, right? Because like it would be like one big room or whatever with a bunch of tiny rooms off to the side. It's not really like that. So like when I'm like me and I'm acclimated to just being in my room, what's it called? It feels like there's like this invisible force pulling me back to my room every time I go outside, you know? And like the flow of the house feels like it's sort of like slowly pulling me back towards my room and shit. But yeah, so like just kind of like yapping about the quiz tomorrow, the exam tomorrow. In my comp sci, I need to be so careful to not say class numbers. I've been doing a pretty good job about it, but what's it called? You know, like, what's it called? Right, yeah, so I have like, there's like 2 exams. Like there's 2 like midterm exams and like a final in my comp sci. I got like a 40 out of 60 on the first one, so like my grade is like a 70. It's around like a C-ish, but if I think like most of the points are like in the quizzes anyway. I just have to like do good on the exams and shit. I think that's like the entire loop of college, just do good in the exams. And it's like, what's it called? I think for the most part, there's not anything I don't understand. I just gotta like brush up on all the small things, you know? Like, the difference, okay, I have like 3 classes right now, right? Like 3 comp sci classes. I love, okay, not love. I prefer the more standard classes because they're like predictable. They have syllabuses, like the entire semester is all planned out. But when it comes to like weird ass classes where the syllabus is loose, or like for example, I have like a mining engineering class. The syllabus doesn't say shit. Like that thing might as well be useless. But like, what's it called? There's like one big sort of central project or whatever that I've like literally not been able to contribute to, and I'm genuinely scared I'm going to just not do good in that class. Fuck, I've also got to like, okay. Right now the lore is like, I have a 2.5 GPA right now because I have like a singular D in a 4-credit class with only like 16 credits in the bank, right? And like, it's really awful. And like, I have like a tuition thing that requires me to have a 3.0. I need to like email the scholarship people to be like, hey, can we suspend the, because like I'm gonna go back up to a 3.0. Can we like suspend this for like ACE? Can we suspend removing me from the system for 1 semester because I'm gonna retake this class and get a 3.0? But like, I don't know if like, so if I don't get like a B average this semester, then I don't know if that would be convincing, like, hey, you know, the syllabus is probably just required by the state or something. Yeah, it's, our syllabus, like our syllabi, like required. Growing up, I had lived in a bunch of different homes, including a car. Build after the space you're in. Those open spaces in your house aren't any use to them, so you don't use them. Yeah, what's it called? It's like, it's not like I'm like that uncomfortable. It's just like, what's it called? I just like sort of like naturally default to just going back to my room instead of hanging around outside. Although sometimes with my brother, we'll just kind of like mess around in the kitchen. But yeah, it's like syllabuses are so nice it's just like really annoying when there's like a class that just doesn't have like a coherent syllabus. I just got gunned down by turrets in Lethal Company. I forgot about Lethal Company. Like, man, I don't like Lethal Company. It's like, okay, I'm not gonna be like, nobody should play Lethal Company. It's just like, I personally, part of me wishes I didn't spend $20 on that. It doesn't work like that. Scholarships are you use them or lose them. Once they're gone, they're gone. Yeah, what's it, like, there is like a policy to where like, what's it called? It's there's a policy to where I'm pretty sure I can like, cause like I'm like very borderline. At the end of the semester, I'm very likely probably going to land like barely under the threshold, and like I would be like well above that threshold if not for one class which I'm retaking. So I do have a case, right? Like I've talked to my advisor and shit, and it's like I probably could like if I emailed them, there's a chance, you know. So it's like, what's it called? Yeah, I still got some time. There's like a month and a half left. You need to do it now. Actually, there's like, well, not now, but like I need to like start getting moving on that because, you know, I was getting close to the end of the semester. Anyway, doesn't like Lethal Company, damn. I love Lethal Company. It's like, also good. Like as a single player experience, it's like, I think that's a horrible place to start. Like playing with friends is alright. It's just, what's it called? It's just not my kind of game, I guess. I like, now that I think about it, I don't even know how to describe the kinds of games I like. Cause like, it's either I like a game or I don't. It's not like I have like a favorite genre or anything. But like, what's it called? Right now, kind of like right now it's like mostly like Yugioh, right? And what's it called? I couldn't even tell you what games I regularly play outside of Yugioh. But yeah, damn, I don't play as much video games as I think I do anymore. Okay, I'm gonna like stuff these meatballs down and then like, I'm just start shutting. Oh, that's long. That's food. Well, problem. I'm finish up my food real quick. Okay. Last one. Cool. Okay. Give me the only hard to go. Give me the only hard to go once you're out of school. Yeah. What am I looking for? Okay. Okay. Boom. Study time. I think it's not really like a, oh, I haven't had time thing. Because things aren't picking up that much yet. They are picking up, it's just I'm a bum. It's more that I just feel less inclined to just play video games. I watched Shadow the Hedgehog today. Oh yeah, what's it? It's the Shadow. It's like the Generations game, right? But yeah, what's it called? Okay. Oh. Thank the Lord, I don't have my webcam on. The front page has like the exact building and the course number about the original one released in 2005. Oh, okay. But yeah, anyways. So like, the things I need to study. Okay. Study concepts. It was only $50 too. That's not too bad for like an old ass game. Excuse me. Excuse me. So let me so abstract data types, so linked lists. Okay, so I need to study linked lists. I need to study stacks and queues. Binary trees. And recursion. Considering the prices are usually 65, 70 plus, 75 plus. Yeah, usually, yeah, because like, I feel like older games definitely always go up in price and shit because there's like less of them. Or something, and they're like rare or some shit. Right, anyway. So, okay, let me see if I can, okay. So, string, return string. Okay, let me, okay, so for the linked list class, actually, let me see right now. Let me see if I can just like write out, class linked list. So it's that. So let me see if I can like write down each of these from memory. I'll probably be provided with these, but I feel like it's like a good, or I don't even know if I'll be provided with these. It's just a good habit to remember these. Def init, self, self. Who uses linked lists? lmao. Linked lists are horrible. IRL. Huh. But yeah, I feel like it's another one of those, like, they teach them in school, but you don't actually use them in practice. But yeah. Okay, so it's like self. I think it's just self. And then like self dot underscore head equals none. What else am I supposed to have in here? Okay, I'm gonna just peek. Okay, so just add and then string. So def add self, I'll just say like node. They're horrible for cache locality because each node could be anywhere. Yeah, what's it called? Because I feel like the entire time I've been working with these, it's like I kind of get, like, I do get how they work. They're like fucking this, where there's like the head and the tail. I just go boom. Linked list, it'll just be this, and then boom, and it's just this shit. And it's like, what's it called? I've always felt like a little, the entire time learning about these, I'm like, okay, they feel weird to work with because they're just kind of there. Like the objects for each node are just kind of there. There's a reason why everyone uses array lists. Yeah, that's completely fair. Because like, these just feel weird to work with. Like we've been using them in like projects and shit. It's just, they feel so weird to work with. They feel so extra, you know? Because like you have to like create like objects for each of these. And it just feels weird. It just feels weird. They're relatively simple. That's why people use them. Yeah. Because like, yeah. If the language provides an array list, then just use that. Yeah. How's it going? I need my food and sleeping quiet. Yeah, what's it called? Dude. I forgot what I was gonna say. I will be very busy. Anyway. But yeah. Cause like, I know it's like, also with like Python or whatever, like, oh, it's faster to, like, iterating through these is like faster at a higher level or something. Like iterating through a list, it takes like longer or more resources or whatever. But what's it called? Just something about how these could just be anywhere always felt weird to me. Because like the diagrams we were shown in class like look like this, but like I feel like, what's it called? I don't know. What's called? malloc and C is implemented with a linked list for unallocated blocks. No use lists. Python list is way faster than linked list. Really? Huh. Actually, let me bring up the slide deck real quick. University of Pearl Rhino. University of Pearl Rhino thingy. Tearlaments Suureva. Password. I typed it in wrong. Tearlaments Suureva. Password. Python is slow enough that optimizing this stuff might not even be worth it. Yeah. Do it later. Compsci. Professor.com. Lectures. Linked lists. Here we go. Okay. Data organized in memory. Data organization in memory. Python lists. List indexing and key feature. List of I and list of I plus 1 are adjacent to memory. This makes accessing L of I very efficient. Insertion concatenation require moving existing elements. Insert at the beginning must move all elements. Insert versus append, blah blah blah. Inserting. But yeah, like, yeah, in the slide deck it was like insert and delete are like slower operations than like append and like accessing an element's value and like using the length operation. But like, what's it called? It's better for like insertion and like deleting items or whatever. That's what the slide deck tells us. Imagine indexing a linked list. That feels evil. It feels gross and evil. Cause like, okay, with like a linked list, what's it called? Only at the head? Yeah, what's it called? So like, for like linked lists, like the way that like Python arrays work, right? It's like 1, 2, 3. If you have like a list that's like this, right? Like L of 0 is 1, right? That's how you sort of access shit. But like when it comes to like a linked list, it's like if there's like 1, 2, 3, how do I access this? Like I've always been like confused as shit about that. It just exists and I just use it, or like how do I refer to this? Like I've always been like, what's it called? You iterate from the head and keep counter. Actually, wait, no, yeah, we did learn about this. It's like, okay, yeah, I'll like real quick. I'm gonna finish this up. I think it's like, okay, so self._head equals node ._head value. I'm gonna look. Okay, new dot. Okay. Okay, so we need to mess with the node. So node ._next. I'm just peeking again. Equals self ._head. What? Okay. Self._head. Okay, self._head equals node. So there's that, and then okay, so like for the def string self, you can override the iterate method in order to enable slicing, I think. Okay. But yeah, so for the string method, it's like the way that we've been taught to iterate through this. So it's like it's this, and then current equals self._head, and then we do while current does not equal none. None. I can spell none. And then there's like this, and then I'm just gonna throw this at the bottom. Return s. Okay, so current equals current dot underscore next. I forgot to loop the BGM. Let's go with this again. Okay, so current dot underscore next. Is it okay? So like I'm thinking s plus equals current dot underscore value. Oh. Okay, so if we do this, wait. Yeah, so it is current dot underscore value. Current dot underscore value. Okay, so it's literally just this. Okay. Yeah, so it's just this. Okay. It's more convenient to do insertions on doubly linked lists. Doubly linked lists? What's it called? Is it like, what's it called? Cause like, I know there's like this shit, right? I don't even know what I'm doing here. I'm just doing shit at this point. I don't even know. Okay, so like, for one project we had like a linked list where like every node had a linked list in it. It's like linked list, but you also store previous. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think we've done that a couple times where like for certain loops you keep previous. But yeah, what's it called? Like, when like iterating through a linked list or whatever. So if I were to like do def, I actually don't know. But like, when like iterating through linked lists, like searching for anything, you kind of just use like a while loop or whatever. So like you set current to like self dot equals head, and like while current isn't none. So like while, so this always like points to none. There we go. I forgot that one. Yeah, so like, it's like while current is not equal to none, just go next. So it's like current dot underscore head, and then go next, and then because okay, so next. So like the head is not none, so you keep going, and now the head is none. Yeah, so generally you kind of like do this and then establish things like before and in when you need to do stuff with it. At the very least, to remember we're supposed to do that. But what's it called? I feel like I kind of what's it called? We learned how to do like I can't remember what sorting algorithm we learned, but we learned a sorting algorithm that I actually don't remember, which is I probably should have paid more attention and like practiced more when it came to like sorting shit, because we also have like binary trees or whatever. Let me reset the BGM again. I should probably put on something longer. Here we go. We'll go for here. We'll just do virtual paradise. Okay. Anyway. But yeah. What else? Oh yeah, right, the node class. It's like class node. So def init self value self dot underscore value equals value. Self dot underscore next equals none. Right? I'm a genius. So then getters, def next. Okay, def value self return self dot underscore value, and then def next. Remember in Python specifically, we don't technically need getters and setters because we can just access dot underscore, but like it's something good practice to use getters from what I've heard. Self, also hi, welcome, everything's popping in. Self return self dot underscore next. What else we need? Oh, just, okay, those are just, okay, it's just getters and setters. Okay, I don't really need to, yeah, I don't, okay, I'll like write them down anyways for like just writing them down sake. So self and then value. Okay, C# these days, honestly, getters and setters are implied. Oh, okay. Self dot underscore value equals v. This is like so messy. Self. Okay. Set. Next. Not quite implied, but you just do get set. Oh, okay. Self and self dot underscore next equals n. Cool. So like there's that. Okay, let me like shrink these. These are like actually, I can just do this. Are you doing exams on paper? I am. Yeah, I'm doing my exam on paper and shit. It's like, yeah, I'm just kind of practicing like writing down the what's it called? Yeah. Okay, what else can I do with my time? I think push pop is empty string. So like the other two data types are like stacks and queues. Return pop, return. Okay, so like pop and DQ are just pop. And okay, so stacks append, queues insert to the front. Okay. Okay, so what do stacks and queues look like again? Okay. Okay, so one of them is like, okay, linear data structures, stacks. Okay, so stacks are like from one end. So it's like stacks are like this, and then queues are like this. Stacks and queues are really easy to implement using linked lists. Yeah. So like, okay. So first in, first out, first in, last out. Because like when you go in first, you have to go all the way to the end, and you go out last. But then like, yeah, okay. So that's that. When removing, always return the removed value. And then like binary trees. Okay, so init value left. Okay, so those are getters. Okay, let me see if I can. Okay, so. Okay, so binary tree. Basic ADTs all build on each other in a pretty elegant way, not gonna lie. Yeah, like what's it called? Starting with like linked lists, it's like, okay, this is how this works, and like stacks and queues are like, this is what you can do with linked lists, and then like binary trees are like linked lists with like multiple nodes and shit. Linked lists into stacks and queues, binary tree, BST heaps. Yeah, what's it called? It's like, it is like really clean so far. The way, like, it just like makes sense and shit. Okay, so class can we like zoom in? I don't need to be binary tree. Here. Def init self. Do I need to okay, self value? Okay. So self dot underscore. Is it header value? Value. I should probably go over like traversing. What's it called? Traversing trees and shit. So pre-order, in order. Is it post-order? It's like node, null, node left, right, node, right, and then left, right, node. Okay, so like self dot underscore left equals none. Self dot underscore right equals none. Okay, so then def insert left self. Do I even need? Sure. Okay, cool. So it's like if self dot underscore left equals none, self dot underscore left equals binary tree value, and then else t equals binary tree value. So we have a new binary tree. So we need self dot underscore left. So self dot underscore. Okay, so if there is a binary tree to the left, self dot underscore left. Okay, so t. Okay. T dot underscore left equals self dot underscore left self dot underscore left equals t. Okay, so it's like, so we have a binary tree. None, none. So if we do self dot left, this is none, so then this turns into a thing. So then, okay, so else, we create a new binary tree with value. So we're starting here. There is something there, so we create a new binary tree with value. So t dot underscore left equals self dot underscore left. So that, and then self dot underscore left equals t. Oh, okay, so then we have this. Or, okay, let me do this real quick, hold on. I forgot, okay, so none, none. So we create a new binary tree with value. None, none. So this turns into, okay, this points to this. And then self dot underscore left points to this. So then this, okay, yeah. So then, I swear I saw the chat move, what the frig. Def, insert, right is the same thing. So self, value, or we'll just use v again. So if self dot underscore right equals none, self dot underscore right equals binary tree binary tree value, else. So first off, we create a new binary tree value. So then the left value of that, so t dot underscore right equals self dot underscore right, and then self dot underscore right equals t. There. So we create a new binary tree. Okay, so for the first, okay, so for the if, it's none, so then this becomes this. None. So then if we try to add another node, so this, the left is not none, so then we go, boom. T underscore right is this, and then this self dot underscore right equals t. So then it's just that, and then this is just a weird fucking, okay, so that works. Cool. So I have that now. So new tree. The tree, okay, new tree, right equals right, and then self.right equals tree. Okay. So there's that. Okay. So there's like a bunch of like review problems and shit. Create a function, remove events that takes a 2D list as parameter, returns a new 2D list that only contains the non-even elements. If any inner list of the original, do not include it in the output. How many review problems are there? A bunch. A lot. Okay, so I might as well just like work through these as I see fit. Okay, so let me get rid of this. So create a function, remove evens. So def remove evens list. So then like list can look like this. Takes a 2D list. So for example, 1, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4. So there's that. Returns a new 2D list that contains only the non-even elements from the original. So I mean, so like, if any inner list of the original is empty after removing elements, do not include it. So like, for I in range length list, and then I think I'll like leave an extra line here for j in range, because like I always feel like I don't leave a space here in case I need to do something and I just kind of need it, but I don't have the space, I have to erase everything. For j in range length of list, do I not just do if if list ij, if list ij mod 2 is not 0, wait, is 0, list ij okay, list.pop. Okay, so like list I. So like list I would be this. Dot pop. J. So like, for example, okay, so list I. So I would be 1. J equals 1. Wait. No, 0. So 0, 1. So list 0, this, pop, parentheses. Pop J, so index item J, so it's I, so bam! Okay, so that works. And then, I guess just sort of like second for loop, because like we don't need to like optimize this shit. So for I in range length of list, if list I is empty, list.pop I, and then return list. So we go through pop everything and then get rid of any empty lists. Also, thanks for liking whoever just did. But yes, I think that's probably good enough. It's probably a good idea to actually like check these up. Is there a answer key in this packet? Nope. Oh, wait. Yeah, no, there is one. Is there? Oh, there is. I'm just an idiot. Come on. There. Okay, so they do a new list. Okay. Oh, okay. So what they do for the solution here is like they make like a new list. So def remove evens. I do it for like, okay. So instead of like removing, they like add or whatever. Remove evens list. So they create a new list. And then for inner list in list, we have a new odds list. I like add all the odds to it. So for element in inner list, if element, so like if it's an odd number, add it to odds. Odds dot append element, and then if length of odds is greater than 0, new list dot append odds, and then return new list. So yeah, they make a new list, add all the odds, and if like the is this in the right spot? Oh, this needs to be moved over to the left one, but okay, just pretend this is there. Okay, cool. So there's that. Write a function file to dictionary that takes a CSV file as a parameter, reads it, and returns the content of every other line inside a dictionary. Each line is a word followed by a number. Okay, so just grab every other. So def file to dictionary, file name. So take a CSV. So how do they do this? Okay, so file dot, okay. Actually, what? So file. Yeah, file equals open, file name, comma, R, in read. So then, for I in range okay, so like for item and list. Okay, so how do I get every other item? So it's like actually it's like file is like the entire thing. So for I in range, so the range is so start, stop, step. So start 0, stop, length, file, and then step is just 1, wait, 2. So we'll get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there's like 5 lines, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It starts at 0. Step is 1, 2, 1, 2. I think that's how that works. If not, then if not, then like I'll just. If not, then like 2 just becomes 1. If I'm wrong. So I need a list. So like list equals this. List dot append. Oh, I just make a dictionary, not a list. I don't need a list. Here. D dot. Okay, so D. We'll say item, or I guess we'll just use lm equals file I. So file I dot split dot strip. Just slam it with everything, pray it works. And then D lm0 equals lm1. So if it's like A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is lm0, this is lm1. Is it just this? Return dictionary? Okay, they use like a counter or whatever instead of like range. file dot close. But yeah, so I guess this is yes, they have like a counter variable, and if like counter is 0, like if counter is an even number, then do it. So it's like every other. Cool. What are you implementing? What's it called? It's like we have like a CSV file. Like, okay, we have a CSV file, so for example, like A, B, C, D, like A1, B2, C3, blah, blah, blah. And, what's that called? We have to go through the CSV. Yeah, so like we get like a file name, we have to go through the CSV and add like every other value. So like we have to add D4, E5. Also strip before you split. Oh yeah, strip, wait, it is strip that split, right? Yeah, I always forget the order. It's like strip. Yeah, no, splitting is the, okay. Strip dot split. There we go. Split gives you a list, so strip won't work. Yeah, okay, yeah. I always like screw up the order of that. But yeah, thanks. It's like basically we just need every other. And like, what's it called? And he's like for I in range. Wait. Yeah. No, this works, yeah. So for I in range, I don't know if I need to put the 0 here. Because like it's like start, stop, step, or something, right? It's like starting at 0 just in case the, what's it called? Just in case I fill it out wrong or whatever. Because I don't know if I need that or not. 0's not required. Yeah. Actually, yeah, because like, okay. This one is mandatory. It might be if you're skipping every other line, because like, yeah, so it's like this is mandatory, optional, optional. So if I just have length of file and then step, it'll take this as like the mandatory, and it'll take this as the sort. Or you're skipping every other line anyways. Oh, this was good. Write a function, file to dictionary, file name, that takes a CSV file name as a parameter, reads it, and returns the content of every other line inside a dictionary. So it's like, the specification just randomly asks, like, the specification is like, do it for every other line. But yeah. The solution, also, what's the key? Oh, what's up? Yeah, the key is so like the key is like the yeah, like the CSV is like this. The key is like the first thing, and then like the value is like, it's like, oh, so each line is like two things, and it's like each line is two things, like a string and then a it'll be in the form of like string integer. So like the string is the key, the integer is the thing. Every other line is a weird one. Yeah, it's like, it's not too hard once you think about it, but what's it called? Yeah. It's like, why would you need to do this? But I guess it's like, it's a test bed. I have no clue. But yeah, the solution they use is they just use like a regular, they just use like for line and file. So it just like goes through every line. And then like, they have like a counter variable that like ticks up or whatever. And if like counter is like, if counter mod 2 is 0, so if it's like even or something. And like, does it? Okay, it doesn't say. So it says do not use the CSV library. So there's that. But what's it called? You don't need range. But yeah, so I like, you can iterate. Okay, you can iterate line by line. Yeah, cause like, yeah, like what they do is that they have like counter, and like counter plus equals 1. I literally never use the CSV library, even when I'm dealing with CSV is lmao. That's fair. Cause like, what's it called? One of the libraries that we've come across, I don't know if it's in the CSV one, but there's like a library that just gives you a string of like punctuations or whatever. Actually, yeah, it's like a strings, string dot punctuation. And it's just fucking everything that's like that, whatever. And it's like, I feel like this is so much, like, this is so extra because just like, you have a keyboard in front of you, you can just type this out yourself. Python string manipulation is so nice. Yeah, what's it called? Like, so working with Python, one of the things I've noticed that is just really, really convenient. It's just like you can like when it comes to like any string, just being able to like index this as like a list. So like S0 to 2, wait, 0 to 3 would give you like, this gives you ABC, right? Because like this one is like it's like exclusive or whatever. You can do the same in C. Okay, but I wouldn't say string manipulation in C is easy. Yeah, what's that called? Okay. Why would you type that out? You could forget one. Oh, that's true, I guess. Slicing, you can't do that in C. Oh yeah, what's I guess like, yeah. When you said string manipulation, my brain immediately went to like slicing and shit. You can't do that in C, but you can kind of do it in JavaScript though. Like, I feel like I can't, also, slicing is so convenient, but I feel like once you get into, like, really convoluted slicing, it's like, it feels so weird. It feels so weird. I don't think we're allowed to use the list comps. Yeah, I think generally we're not allowed to use list comps yet, even though we covered them, like, last semester or something. But yeah. Okay. Okay, gonna do this. Have you ever used a set comp? A set comp? I don't think I have. What the heck is a set comp? Manipulate sets. Okay, a set. Okay, sets. Set Python. Oh, yeah, okay, it's a, you use this squirrely brackets and then not dictionary. How do these work again? It's a collection that's unordered, immutable, and unindexed. Okay. I should be remembering what a set is. RIP, list and dictionary comps are the best part of Python. Yeah, what's it called? Yeah. Like, I feel like every time I use, like, any kind of, like, list comps, like, what's it called? I feel like, what's it called? Yeah, like, any kind of, like, yeah, like, any kind of, like, list or dictionary comps, I feel like I'm cheating. I genuinely feel like I'm cheating. Because, like, you can just so easily refer to, like, literally any part of any kind of data structure. It's, like any kind of, like, yeah, any kind of data structure, and it feels like, it genuinely feels like I'm cheating, man. Like, I shouldn't be able to do this, like, concisely. But yeah, I encourage you to take programming language class. Okay, I encourage you to take a programming languages class that teaches you functional programming. What's it called? I like look around in the course. So list comps are basically the map function. Okay, I've gotta like look through the course catalog for like all the main shit in my degree. Cause like what's it called? I think. Okay, let me like what's it called? Oh yeah, we use like Outlook. And like honestly, I feel like it is like a Microsoft thing, but I surprisingly don't hate Outlook. I feel like I should, but like what's it called? My school used Outlook a lot. Yeah, like we switched from like Google, we switched from like Gmail to Outlook. Okay, search. There. Outlook Old, or was it Outlook Classic? I have no clue. What the hell is happening? Okay, there we go. Oh, I actually have to go into the freaking. I actually have to go into my freaking uni shit course catalog thing to actually look up these because I don't know these by heart. But yeah, in my final semesters, I get like CS electives. Yeah, I probably should actually know. Okay, maybe I should actually know all of my major courses by heart and shit. Well, maybe not by heart, but like at least like under like. I actually don't remember what I'm supposed to be doing my 3rd and 4th years. Like I probably should be really planning things out, and it's like, fuck, college feels so. Also, I'm only in like my 1st semester, but like things feel like they're going by so fast, you know? Like compared to like a high school. In high school, it's just kind of like a slog. You kind of just sit there and like wait for things to happen. Like now that I'm in like college, I feel like I have to be like so. Like I feel like I have to be so like so. I have to feel like I feel like I have to be so toned in to like everything that's happening, and I have to be like planning so much. And I feel like it's probably just a part of being fire hose of info. Yeah, like yeah, as like a freshman, I feel like it feels like compared to like as myself and like compared to others as well, I feel like I could be more aware, but I'm just not. Even bird courses are harder than you expect. It's like, yeah, I feel like even though I already have like a semester and a half under my belt, like I still feel like I'm getting like hosed, absolutely hosed, even by like the chump classes. And it's like, I should be doing better than I am. But what's it called? Okay, I'm gonna like, what's it called? I'm gonna like look back at the review problems and shit. But yeah. Question 3, write a car method with attributes, a getter, an EQ method, and a string method. I don't need to do that. You need all the smart kids, so you're no longer gonna be a straight A student. Yeah. Cause like, it feels like, what's it called? Even though I'm not, it feels like I have to, and because it's so hard to be a smart kid. Like I feel like, what's it called? I'm like slowly starting to feel it, but I feel like at some point I'm gonna like slam into a wall really, really hard, you know? I feel like I've always been like a pretty like airy kind of person, you know? Like, I am just so unaware. And like, at this point, like, I'm like seeing it like in full effect and shit. It's just like, I feel like really powerless to kind of change it, I guess. I love this is like slowly started becoming like a therapy session. Like, man, I feel like shit. But what's that called? Okay, I don't really need to grind through all of these. Look at the function below. Whenever this code is run, it will always return true. Why is that? What does the following code print out? That's write a function next to last, which given a linked list returns the value of the next to last element. If the linked list has fewer than 2 nodes, return none. Cause like I feel like I understand the way that things work. I think if I just think about things hard enough and like actually use all the time that I'm given, I could definitely squeeze out as many points as I need to. I managed to graduate with decent grades, but I had some classes I was dying in. Yeah, like, what's it called? Part of me is just like, I know it's like the sort of like universal college experience that it's like you do get your ass kicked, but I feel like part of me, like, I feel like I know I'm capable enough, but like I feel like I'm just like such an unaware and airheaded person that like like I can feel natural selection, like I can feel like just natural selection breathing down my neck, you know? But I think, like, I don't think I'm, at the very least, I had the advantage in like high school that like it was easy enough to pick things up. So as long as I leverage that as much as I possibly can, like, I've got this. I've got this. I'm actually goated. Cause like, I feel like every time I'm like thinking like this, like, man, I'm gonna fucking die. It's like, I just have to take a step back and realize I'm actually just goated. Like, I'm actually just him. Fill out the stat class, given the following. Okay, so I do need to remember. Okay, requirements: use a Python list in your implementation and make the top of the stack the first. Okay. Draw a reference diagram for S. How do stacks work? Okay, how do stacks relate to function calls? How does this tie into recursive functions? What is preserved between function calls? Actually, just reading that question, how do stacks relate to function calls? I should have been using stacks and queues with my recursion. Just to, like, have a stack and a queue to interact with things, that would have saved so much headache. Because, like, it's something I could, like, in the recursive function, it's like, it's really, in like recursive functions, like for me, it's kind of hard to keep track of. So recursion uses the call stack to store states. Oh, that's what it's asking. How do stacks relate to function calls? How does this tie into recursive functions? Because like I was like paying like in like the recursion shit, right? It's like what's it called? Recursion uses the call stack to store states. Like all I really remember from like recursion, I remember being like, wow, recursion is so cool. It's like, okay, let me like just write some recursion function here, like some fuck ass. Print list. If length, okay, so if list is this, return else print list 0 and then return list 1 to the end. So like there's like this shit, right? And if I go like print list, so you can model a simple recursive algorithm with a loop with a stack. You can model a simple recursive algorithm with a loop with a stack. Okay, I'm gonna finish this thought here real quick. Like, what's it called? All I really remember is like, okay. Cause like, I don't remember like specifically exactly how things work. Turning recursive algorithms into iterative ones helps speed them up immensely in practice. Huh. But yeah, what's it called? Yeah. Brain off, head empty. Like, okay, what I was going to say though was like, all I really remember is like, there's in like, I think it was like Python tutor or something. It's like, they just kind of do this shit, and then it just goes bam, 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 and then boom, you have your output. The printless function is literally how you'd write it in a functional programming language level. Okay, that printless function is literally how you'd write it in a functional programming language level. But yeah, like, what's it called? Okay, every time you call a function, it stores the current it stores the current state in a call stack. Like, okay, so like, what's it called? How do I represent this? Because like I remember watching my professor like go over how this shit worked. Oh, okay, there's recursion. I think we do have it in the slide deck, hold on. Okay, so like, okay, so if we have list, okay, so if list equals 1, 2. That's what you're drawing. Oh, okay. So when it returns, it pops. Oh, okay. Yeah. So if I have this, right? I can't really rate it very well on YouTube channel now. Okay, yeah, but like, what's it called? I think like the so that's what you're drawing line was what kind of had that click. But yeah, what's it called? Like, okay. So like, if there's like print list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How does this look in the slide deck again? So then it's like print list 1, 2, 3, 4. But yeah. Like, yeah, like reading that message, like that's what got it to click a bit. Print list. So then just kind of it goes down like the thing. I think this is what we're, yeah, this is what we're talking about, right? Okay, so like print. It's like this is how to actually like write it out. Print list 1, 2. Yeah. Print list 1. Print list empty list. So then the implementation goes from left to right. Oh yeah, what's it called? My stupid ass. Okay, let me like rewrite this one. It's 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, because it's like you take the first one, you cut the first one. 4, 5, and then 5. Okay, yeah. So then return. So it's like return, and then it's like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can see why this is inefficient though, right? Because like, what's it called? Because like there's like two motion. Like I feel like I can't really describe it like technically, but there's like two motions here. There's like the up, like there's like the down, and then there's like the up. Whereas like if you were to just like iterate through the list, it's just there's just the one, right? It's like I don't know if you mean like specifically like 4 loops, but if it's like 4 element in list. Print lm, it just goes down. It just goes down. Not only do you have to store that many stack frames, but you also have to duplicate the list like 5 times. Yeah, like, so like I guess like that's basically what I said, but like actually like understanding the top, like because like there's like 1, 2, 3, there's like 6 instances of like the list, and it's like you have to do all of these different things. Whereas like if it's just like the for loop, it's just boom, bam, bop, pow. And like you only have like one thing of the list that you're going through. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like boom, bam, bop, pow. Yeah. Like it is really cool watching it go. But yeah, what's up? I think one of the very first things I saw, was like, oh my goodness, this is just the chain in Yu-Gi-Oh! Cause it's like CL1 CL1 1 2 3 4 5. I mean yeah. Like CL1 1 2 3. Chain in Yu-Gi-Oh! Is literally a stack. This is my freaking oh my goodness. This is like my oh my goodness, it's blank from Fortnite moment. You resolve it in last lethal order. Yeah. Cause like what's it called? If it's like what's it called? CL1 I don't know, Rhino Heart. CL2 Ash Blossom, CL3 Called By, CL4 Ghost Spell, CL5 Gamma. The chain is built up this way, and then it resolves backwards. Yeah, so it is literally the same thing. Wait, hold on. I do this. Guess how they implemented that in code, lmao. Probably. Actually, wait, that's one situation where... Okay, so if I ever decide... Well, it's not if I ever decide. If I ever manage to get around to making, like, a... I've been, like, working on making a TCG out of boredom instead of studying because I'm a fucking bum. If I ever This is a nice revelation. This is a nice revelation. So, like, Gamma negates Ghost Spell. Okay, negates CL4 Fizzle. Okay, so Fizzle negates. Wait, okay. Negates Ash, and then Rhino Heart effect. Oh my goodness! Wait. This literally is my oh my goodness! It's blank from Fortnite moment. Okay, so at the very least, I understand the stat queue now. The but yeah. Okay, so where is it? It was like a question. But yeah, so how do stacks relate to function calls? Also, queues like standing in line lol? Wait, okay. Is this a queue or a stack? Wait. But yeah, so like, yeah, cause like queues are like standing in line cause it's like this, you go in, you go out. Okay, so queue and then stack. Wait. First in, last out. First in, last out. This is a queue. There's a reason why the Brits call it queuing. Yeah, I feel like also called. It makes sense anyways. So first in, last out. First in, first out. Okay. Yeah, so this the why is it called the call stack if this is a queue? Okay, I'm gonna keep yapping before my brain shuts off. But also, how do stacks relate to function calls? How does this tie into recursive functions? What is preserved between function calls? So I guess like, okay, so like, stacks relate to function calls in that like, when there's a bunch that happen at once, they're put onto a stack. And like when it comes to recursive functions, that's, you know, they go into the call stack. And the thing that is preserved is like the list, or well, the thing that's preserved is the thing you're the function calls. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out during the test. Match the following definitions. Match the following descriptions to stack, queue, both or neither. Okay, so add and remove from one end is a stack. Add and remove from both ends is a queue. Wait. No. Add from one end, remove from the other end is a queue. Wait. Yeah. First in, first out is a stack. First in, last out is a queue. Implements push pop. Push. Okay, push pop is a stack. Both ends is called a, both ends is called a DQ or double-ended Q. Oh, okay. So that's how that works. Okay. Okay, yeah, the stack uses push pop. Contains method is empty, both. Associated with frames in recursion. Both? Pushes, okay, push the same but pop is different? Yeah. Okay. Or, okay, both implement push pop. Because, like, I think for my exam specifically, it's looking for the answer stacks. Because, what's it called? Only stacks are associated with frames and recursion lmao? Okay. Yeah. But yeah, what's it called? Like, in the slide deck and like the way we've been like learning these, like specifically the stack, like the stacks that we've been taught use like the push and pop methods, and like for Q we have like NQ and DQ. So I think specifically, like in this test specifically, it's looking for where are we? Yeah, implementing push and pop. I think it's looking for specifically stack because like the methods are named as such. Yeah. So it's like in this situation, like yeah, but what's it called? NQ and DQ sounds right? Yeah. Most likely used to represent a line at the grocery store will be the Q. Most likely to be used to solve a palindrome problem. This would be like a stack, right? Wait. Yeah. You stick a word in a stack, and if it's the same coming out, then it's a palindrome. So like, most likely to be used to solve a palindrome problem would be a stack. Yeah, because if you stick like a non-palindrome into a stack, pull it back out, it's like backwards. Because first in, first out. Okay, so if we have A, B, C, A, B, C, C, B, A, what? I'm visualizing this properly. Wait, okay. So, if we have, so like, A goes in first, dump in a B, dump in a C. So a Q goes down this way, so it's like, A pops out, B pops out, and that. So it's a, what's it called? Yeah, it would be the stack, because like, if you have A, B, C, so A goes in first, B goes in, and then C, and then you take out from the same side, so it's like C, B, A. Yeah, yeah. So that'd be a stack. Can get an element at the specified index. Both? Question mark? Can get an element at the specified index. Actually, would that not be Q's specifically? Hold on. Solutions for question 13. The pages are so... 13. 11. 11 is neither, okay. Oh, add and remove from both ends here would be neither because we haven't learned like double Qs yet. So, neither add and remove from both ends. I thought that was kind of fishy. Neither can get an element at the specified index. And only works with integers, characters, and strings. Neither. Because both of them do. Wait, what? Only works with integers, characters, and strings. Yes. Okay. And then 15 and 16 are both. Okay, can be implemented with a Python list and a linked list, yes. Is a linear abstract data type? Yes. Is an abstract data type? Yes. Yeah, okay. So we're good on that. Okay, so what is the solution for... Okay, so there's one where it's like, okay. Look at the function palindrome list provided below, which is meant to check if a list is the same forwards as it's backwards. Palindrome list. If length is 0, return true, else rev list equals list. Temp equals, This is, okay. So for I in range, length of list. Okay, so temp equals rev underscore list dot pop. Pop pops. Also, hello, welcome in. Dude, have you seen the new Alistair? Have you seen the new Alistair support, dude? Some of it is super. Okay, special summon Alistair is like super freaking sick, but at the same time, one of the new guys is a macro and it pisses me off. What was I gonna say? I was gonna Google something. Where am I? What am I doing? There's Witchcrafter support. Who cares about Alistair? Okay. This code makes a reverse list in comparison to the original checker list. When the reverse list is created, it's assigned to the same list, which is an alias. Any operation done to rev list will also be done to list. Ah! Instead of creating rev list with rev list equals, initialize it at an empty list and add the. Okay. Since like rev list equals list, you're also okay. We care about our lollipapa. I haven't actually seen the Witchcrafter support. I kind of just assumed like there's Witchcrafter support meant that the Alistair support was basically Witchcrafter support. But what's it called? Yeah. Okay. Okay, red recursive solution for the function reverse all. It takes a list of words and returns a list of the words in the same order, but each word is reversed. First write recursive function. Don't want a function to recurse. You don't use the third argument for solution. Okay. So that was just to write two recursive functions. I've never seen them play together, but I have seen both in the DM. Good luck with the test. Yeah, thanks. But yeah. I don't want to keep studying, but I probably should. There's like 20 minutes left. Well, there's like 20 minutes left until it's like 10, which is like normally what, like, I don't want to say normally when I end because like for the longest time I had like 7-hour streams. Create a recursive function, matching substring. Okay, I'll take a quick break. Because my brain's off, my head is empty. Alright, so here's what I'll do. I'll play... Okay, I've been waffling about it in like the Discord and shit. Hold on, what's it called? Let me close my UP shit. My UP class stuff, just in case. Always delete. There we go. Oh yeah, I gotta download Pillow Deer's most recent ASMR. Oh, she has like a big announcement on Saturday, bro. Oh, we're all gonna die. Wait, this video is peak. Wait, why Minecraft YouTubers seemingly become PDF files? Hold on, we gotta watch this shit. Okay, here's what we'll do. That game. Okay, so let me open Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel real quick. I feel like the only game that I would play windowed is Master Duel specifically. I don't know why. I can never play Master Duel full screen. It feels wrong. Dude, I want to play Striker. I really want to play Striker. Oh yeah, I got the accessory pack as it comes with a guaranteed UR. I actually got some pretty decent pulls. I did some pulls off camera.
Oh, I see your upload.
Okay, let me do this, and then we'll do window capture. Picture in picture. Here. Oh, it's all cut off and everything. Oh, this has said Din Din first the entire time. Huzzah. Okay.
Play Minecraft videos now. I sure do hope you don't turn into a pedophile. What the fuck does that even mean? Yeah, what does that even mean? Why is being a Minecraft content creator synonymous to being a groomer? I have an idea, but a half-baked opinion isn't going to cut it. That's why in this video we are going to explore 5 different points that may explain why Minecraft YouTubers seemingly become pedophiles.
Okay, anyway, But yeah, so
Minecraft is marketed as a game for all ages.
I have like
but
a
functionally, we all know
Cooltoon
that
list.
isn't the case. It's a game where its players are primarily children, or at least underage
But yeah, so
teenagers. Surveys of
Hop
children's
Ear
digital play
Squatch.
consistently show Minecraft as one of the most heavily used platforms among kids aged 6 to 12, with over half of children
Actually,
in that
what level
range
is this?
playing
It's a
regularly.
2.
Minecraft is a
Does
child's
Hop Ear
first
even
online
help?
space where they're
I don't even know if Hop Ear helps. But yeah, also, I'm short a Q. I'm short a Q. I'm short 2 Rico. And then I just need a shit ton of URs as well. A shit ton of SRs. I would have technically been able to start playing Cooltoon at the very least with like, if I crafted a track maker, but I had like 180 left. So I crafted mix and then 2 rotary without realizing I needed track maker. So like I can't actually play this right now. I don't have any more things to dismantle down, so it's cooked.
Constantly active. This is a critical point because social media platforms weren't designed with children in mind, as their over half of show Minecraft children ages but function files. In this video, we are going to explore 5 different points that may explain why Minecraft YouTubers seemingly become pedophiles. Minecraft is marketed as a game for all ages.
Also, hi, welcome if I just popped
functionally,
in.
we all know that isn't the case. It's a game where its players are primarily children, or at least underage teenagers. Surveys of children's digital play consistently show Minecraft as one of the most heavily used platforms among kids aged 6 to 12, with over half of children in that range playing regularly. Minecraft is a child's first online space where they're consistently active. This is a critical point because social media platforms weren't designed with children in mind as their primary users. Minecraft wasn't either, but here we are.
Ooh, I opened
anyways.
Rahu,
Minecraft
nice.
YouTubers become routine figures in children's lives. For example, myself. I grew up watching Stampy Longhead and popular MMOs, and it is safe to say I started developing my sense of humor from these YouTubers. Another thing with kids is that they have a lot of style. They often watch hundreds of videos. They grow up with these creators. And so let's see, for example, these content creator creates a Discord server where they can talk to fans directly. The interaction feels more like talking to someone you already know. This moves us to the next point. Not so fun fact. Grooming does not look predatory at first. Most documented grooming cases begin in ordinary visible spaces using tools that millions of people use every day. European Commission reports on digital grooming show a consistent pattern across gaming ecosystems. Predators initiate contact in public or semi-public in-game environments and rapidly migrate interactions to private messaging channels. Let's say a content creator starts a Minecraft server wherein their fans can join. Then a kid excitedly joins this server because who wouldn't? It's their idol's Minecraft server. They can play with them. And this specific kid becomes a target for the said content creator. Since they already share a similar space, it's easier for them to transition somewhere more private like Discord DMs. The problem isn't that Minecraft or Discord are dangerous platforms, although Discord is often known as one. It's that together, they form a smooth pipeline from public interaction to private access. Research on grooming through gaming platforms show that once communication moves off the game itself to private Discord DMs, voice channels, or secondary messaging apps, oversight disappears. Moderation logs are non-existent. It becomes harder to monitor as a parent, and for the content creator, social accountability weakens because there is no one looking.
You piece of shit.
Analysis emphasize that escalation often happens without explicit sexual content at first. Grooming frequently...
Okay, hold on, let me turn this off. I just want to log in. I lose this. Can I activate spell traps? Yes. I think I just go set kitchen. I have to out that defissure somehow. I don't think I can. Cause, yeah, if it's sent to the graveyard as material for fusion. So I just gotta like spin off the Arthalion. Okay, as long as he doesn't draw removal for the... Actually, I can just do this now. I just put back the Arthalion. Does this modify... It does modify attack and defense, so he does win against the kitchen. Oh, sick. I get to draw a card. I'm going to put back the Rahu and then draw. That's a fusion spell. What other Earths do I have? Is it just Arthalion? Where is my Arthalion? Okay, it's back in the deck. So I can make Arthalion again. Okay, so that goes to the grave. Can I make Arthalion? So I do have a Draco Tail. Yeah, I can make another Arthalion. I have to out the Moon Mirror Shield though. I can make Arthalion with branded in white without having to discard. Arthalion. I can't punch because he has Moon Mirror Shield. Do I have an out to any of this? Yeah, no, I can't. I'm gonna report this guy. Yeah, I can't do anything. I just have to report this guy. Because, like, what the hell am I supposed to do, you know? Match history. Also, I don't have volume on. Okay, so reports. There. Cool. It is what it is. Dude, okay, I had this stupid bullshit duel earlier, right? And, like, I was... what's it called? I was doing this Eldritch player, and he had crossout for Branded Fusion. This guy who's not even playing... Okay, he did have, like, Albolenitus and Albaz, so I think he was on, like, Branded Eldritch. But, like, this guy had not played a single Eldritch card, and then somehow had crossout for the... He went crossout banish Branded Diffusion, and it was the stupidest thing ever. Oh, we have Parlor and Hospitality. Oh yeah, let me go Hospitality real quick to just, like, bait the Ash Blossom. Okay, this works. Okay, let's set up the ladies real quick. We're gonna do this. We're gonna dump Tidying. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, we're gonna set up the ladies real quick. And then Branded Fusion. But yeah, what's it called? Because I can use, like, lights, I can actually, like, bridge into Draco Tail by just using any... Okay, we're gonna go Chamber to set another Tidying. So ladies is so nice because, like, I don't know if this is the most optimal thing to do off of it, but, like, you just go, like, Chamber for Tidying. Okay, there specifically in the song, like, there's, like, this little boing sound that, like, there's this... Okay, hold on, let me, like, rewind. There's, like, I don't think there's anywhere else in the song where they use that boing sample. What the fuck did I do? I clicked something, whatever. Okay, we're gonna go Albion for Frixel. But yeah, also, Branded Fusion don't Frixel bridges you into a Draco Tail. Because then you just go, like, set Rahu. I don't have Ketsu, which is annoying. If I did have Ketsu, then I would be using Ketsu in, like, Mululu. But yeah, I probably should have chain blocked the Frixel, but it's like whatever. I actually value the Rahu more than I do the Albion. Here's Rahu. We don't have any Draco Tail names in hand, so we only get like one. I probably should put Sting in here. We are summoning Mirror Jade. Wait, we are summoning Lubellion. So we banish. This banish is great. I'm an idiot. Yes. Fallen of Elbaz, Kit. Oh yeah, I don't have Aluber. The only reason I'm able to do this is because I just opened the kit. So we're gonna go Lubellion. I think this shuffles into the deck, so we okay. Thank the Lord I had the extra discard as well, by the way. Jesus. Okay, we're gonna use the Lubellion and the Albaz. Put those back in the deck. Mirror Jade. And the Albion is like a nice send off of the Tidying. Where is my Rahu? Hello? I don't have monsters in hand, that's why. Oh, shit. Okay, Kitchen doesn't get me anything. Okay, there's not really anything I can do here. Yeah, unlucky. I kind of burned off all the cards in my hand. I think I could have done this while, like, preserving a card in hand, but, like, it is what it is. Like, Sheo Mirror Jade Tidying is still fine. I should have paid attention and, like, set a Sting. Not a Sting, set a Flame instead. I'm an idiot. Okay, and then this is good. Nice. But yeah, I want to see if... I don't know if it's possible. Can I get another pack today? I have to, like, win, like, 2 games to rank up. I'm, like, actually in gold now, so it's like... Is it 3 or am I stupid? Yeah, you go from, like, needing 1 win in silver to, like, 3 in gold. Okay, let me, like, go Draco Tail. I need like Sting. I guess we can go up to 45, so like opening. Aluber, add a branded spell trap. I don't think there's any other branded spell traps I care about. I don't like Springgun's Kit as a starter. It's nice to have it, but it's like not the greatest starter. What do we put in here? As like a 1-up. I guess we could just throw in the nib. Oh, I don't have a Sting. There. I really regret not getting the Ghost Spell mate. Like, yeah, the IP mate is probably the greatest mate they'll ever create. It's just, what's it called? I regret not having it. Just for the collection. And there's the nib. God damn it. I mean, we did open Lucius. What do I even do with this hand? I mean, I guess I just go Branded Fusion, right? It's like Branded Fusion go for... I have like Flame in hand. I just get Ash on the Branded Fusion. I'll just put like the nib on the bottom. Okay, he has something. He has something. Okay, never mind. He did have something. He had the surrender button. There it is. Okay, how many more gems do I need? I think I have all my quests for today. 800. Like, was it 882? It was. Do I have 20 gems off of this? Yes. Okay, so I just need to rank up one more time. We'll do that, whatever. I'm like actually grinding my ult. Yeah, 4 more wins is crazy. But yeah, it's like you go from needing 1 win in silver. Okay, actually it's 2 wins in silver. It's like 1, 2, 4. Okay, I'm gonna start encountering Cool Toon players. Isn't there like an anti-synchro floodgate or something? Yeah, evenly doesn't really help too either, does it? Okay. This is a canine field, right? Or am I stupid? I don't like the fact that you have the yummy sleeves, man. I have 2 normal summons, by the way. Okay, this clip. Yeah, we're fucked. But yeah, so we don't need the streak in gold, I don't think. So I can like... Actually, do we need the streak? I can't remember. Okay, we'll go first. But like, I kind of just have the issue of drawing too many normal summons. Maybe I feel like I need to like cut down the size of my deck. Okay, there's no way to bridge into Dracoto here, sadly. Okay, we're gonna special summon in the kitchen. Dump the Tinkak. And then... eat the Ash. Or not. I'll take a lore par, question mark? Actually, I'll just take another parlor, whatever. Parlor and parlor. And then, I don't need to use the parlor, we're just gonna do this. Banish, banish, ladies. We kind of are just ending on like, Shadow Tidying, Jabu Swarm. This is gonna get ashed. There it is, there's the Imperm. So I guess I can still dump Tidying anyway. Yeah, dump Tidying, parlor for parlor. At least have some interaction. Here we go. Oh, actually, I could have gone changeover to make one now. It's whatever. Yeah. I don't think it matters how much. 小ギャラに押しつぶされて諦めてたんだ探したいと僕だけ What? 走り出した思いが今でもこの胸に確かに叩いて Drill beam. Yeah, sure. Okay, I get why people hate Drill Beam now. Like, it is a very strong card, it's just, it feels... Man, fuck! Okay, Fenrir. Is he actually just playing cash? I think he might actually just be playing cash. If I see... Oh, actually, am I stupid? He's playing Primite. Can he actually do anything here? Okay, you can like normal Ether Barrel. Set a Primite Spell Trap. He can't special summon any normals. He probably has one in hand, actually. Yeah. Another Lordly Load? Yeah, he's not gonna... Maybe he's not gonna... During the main phase... That's fine. I'm just gonna threaten the Tidying this entire turn. What the fu- Yeah, so there's the Star. What? Sure? What are you doing with this? What is this? Okay. That's fine. Can I not? I can't Drew Storm. I mean, I could have went like this, dump a Dark for... Tidying for Parlor, dump a Dark. That's not worth it. Is this worth playing out? Also, hi, welcome if any popped in. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna scoop this. This is dumb. This is so dumb, bro. Okay, I'm gonna switch decks. I have like a Sword Soul Tenyi deck with like the new Tenyi support. Like, I switched to Tenyi when I feel like I need some consistency. And like, when I feel like I need more ceiling. And like, what's it called? I can more reliably get to my intended end board with this deck. And then like, when I want to like, cut loose a little bit, use my brain a bit more, and I'm done going through the motions, I switch back to the fusion pile. Okay. What the fuck? Okay, so at the very least, Vessel starts us out. Yeah, we dump Ashuna, Heavenly Dragon Circle, Flawless Perfection. Actually, we have Ash Nib, we're fine. Add a RDA. Do I stop this? I'll hold it. Cause like if I Ash this, then like, okay, here's a Soul Resonator. Yeah, he didn't add the Vision Resonator, he had it in hand anyway. Unless this guy's just a fucking idiot. Excuse me. He could very well just set pass. Oh, okay. So there's his normal summon, we ash that. What was his special summon? Oh, normal or special summoned. I thought it was just special summoned. I'm an idiot. Okay, that was the correct answer. There we go. Now we just roll this guy. Okay, and we open to Saruya. I'm a little nervous about this, but I think we have a line to circle, the Heavenly Dragon circle either way. Let's go dump and a Shonan and just play the video game. Oh yeah, let me do this. Just in case. Oh, face up non-effect monster, I have to do this. Damn. It'll go monk, and then tribute off the monk. Watch this be like some negate monsters in this column bullshit from like 2016. Wait, we're gonna special summon another Suureva. And then we're gonna go this for like Shatana. Yeah, he ain't got shit. Okay, and then do I go Chisho? I guess I'm gonna link monster off. Okay, so this gets me. I get to swing twice with this. And then I think, yeah, I'll just do this because I can swing twice with it. And then I also get the link monster off the Suureva. So you. So I get like another Heavenly Dragon circle for follow up. So Suureva. I think we just go Berserker. And then we just swing, swing, swing. So we'll go Tenya Infinity. Surely that's not a battle trap, right? It's like unaffected and shit. I should have kept... whatever, we'll just go swing, 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 and then just pray. Okay, we win, yeah. Cool. There we go. Also, hello, welcome in, and thanks for liking. But yeah, we're taking a quick break from studying for a sec just to, like, make myself feel miserable. Anyway. 3 more wins, then I can rip a pack. I'm gonna need to stuff down so much coffee again tomorrow. It is what it is. It is what it is. Oh, they're making me go first. I'm so terrified, man. But yeah. I was like studying comp sci shit earlier, but yeah. Okay, this is a playable hand. This is very playable. Okay, we're just gonna go with Vishta. I think we do go for the Chisho. Do I normal this? Yeah. Or should we do this? Okay, so if I go Chisho Barone, I can't do anything. Did I just make... Okay, I made Muladhara. Breaks are good, yeah. I feel like this is the worst thing to be taking a break on though, because like this is also like... What's it called? I have to really use my brain for this one too. And this could very well be a terrible idea. We go Vest. Can I get a non... If you control face-up non-effect. I do not control a face-up non-effect. I would have to link off my Mula Adhara, which is stupid as shit. Yeah, no, none of my guys are alive. Can I dump anything? I can dump in a Shona. But, like, I need a non-link. Okay, do I get farther if I link off my Mula Adhara? Yeah, I'm basically trading this for, like... Okay, so I can go with Shona after this. Then I can link that off into a monk. I'm like burning through my monks really fast. I guess we go Shatana? Just have it? I never draw any of the others. Okay, so I can add back the Shona. Okay, yeah, we go this, add back the Shona, link off Shatana. So then we have 2 monks. And then we can go Heavenly Dragon Circle here. So then I still have like So then I tag out this monk for another. Okay, go boom, special summon. And then I tribute off the monk for another Adhara. Boom. Yeah, Adhara, special summon. So now we make Chisho. So then this Tenyi Infinity tags out for Perfection, so it's just like the standard Tenyi board, but I draw 2. So I don't get a chain block, but it's fine because I have Lung 1. Thank the Lord I have the Vishnu in hand. Oh yeah, I already used the Heavenly Dragon Circle, unlucky. Whatever. Special summon a token, we make Baron. What? Oh yeah, I'm locked. Do I go for Chishing Long? Nah. I went for like Chishing Long the other game, but like whatever. Burn. And then we just pass on this. And then we go Flawless Perfection. Dunk. Cool.
Hey, are you guys ready?
And then we pray to the Lord that they don't. Actually, the Killer Tune player last game normal summoned Clip. That could have been played. Oh, Lava Golem. I get to draw 2 at least. Ash Blossom. We have an unaffected 1000 and an Ash Blossom. He steals my Qixing. My Chengying. Yeah. Oh, we're fucked. Actually, I Ash that. Because there's no way he has another way to extend, right? Because like instead he pitched 2 and then it's like 2 other cards that are probably board breakers. Snatch Steal, That's fine. This is definitely a very outable board. Yeah, we just popped the Lava Golem. We special summon our guy back. He does get to swing on it with the... Banish a card from your graveyard instead, so he can save it. Pop that. It would burn him, but like I think I'd rather only deal with this. And then we just banish the Chengying. Oh yeah, you can't do anything with it. Cool. Oh yeah, we have Heavenly Dragon Circle. Nice. What can I not do? Banish a card. Cool. I don't need to Tenyi Infinity. Or I could Tenyi Infinity. Oh, what does he do? Okay. Oh. Wait, no, I just Vished this, and then it's just like... There. So he does... Oh, nope, okay, we just win. Yeah. So we get to add a Tenyi card. GG's. Also, hi, welcome if you popped in. He has like 1 card in hand. He can't stop everything. Or can he? Okay, so we're gonna do this. Oh, I should have gone... this. Or... do I want anything back? I have a normal summon. Okay, now we just go for the kill. Let's go Nahata. I should have gone for the Mapura. That's like the next best thing. I can only make a box shot. I should go at Hara here. Bring back the Shitana. And then what we could do is we could go. We're gonna do this. Boom boom. And we could make Berserker question mark. Okay. Target a worm. Yep. Let's go ahead and discard. I don't need. Oh, hold on. Actually, I don't need you. Just go Mula Adhara. Attack. And then, yeah, we just win. Link off. It's unaffected, and then we just swing twice. GG. That was a little scary. That was more than a little scary. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought. Get out of here. I do kind of respect it, though. That was like... based and base pilled. Oh, what was that? Okay, what was that guy's deck build? Hold on. Okay, it's just Horus with like 10 billion Snatch Seal. Yeah. Oh, he had Widow Anchor. Bot Herder. I ain't reading that. Okay. Two more wins. We win by scoop, and then I get to crack some packs and go back to study. Actually, Yu-Gi-Oh! Might actually be, like, the best take a break from studying game. Because then you play Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel, and then you feel like shit, and you want to do literally anything, and studying is literally anything but Master Duel. It's so free. Okay, Surya Moya. Yeah, we're just gonna normal Moya. I have like ways to play past. I think I'd rather have the Moya eat the Ash. Or not. So we just have to not Ashuna. Or actually we can do this and then like do bullshit after. So then I can special summon Surya. I don't have my normal summon. And we get to draw. Ah, normal summon Moye. Another Surya to pitch off of the long one. Pitch. Special summon. Special summon. And then Baron. Now we can Ashuna. Because Ashuna is rest of the turn, not this turn. Wait. So I can special summon the Surya if I wanted to. We dump the Ashuna. There you are. Oh, I have to control a non-effect. Do I have a way to get into this? Okay, because like I link off for Monk. Ashuna gets me a guy, and then what? Yeah, I don't have... Unlucky. I guess I have like Nib Ash as well, whatever. So I can go like Link to bring back the other guy. I can special summon a Surya, and that's it. I mean, I could just set up a Vishta for later. Whatever. Yeah, that's all I can really do for now. And then I guess... If I link those off, it would be pitch a card. I don't think it's worth. Yeah, we just... Man, I probably could have tailored that combo in a way that like... Yeah, I should have gone... Long one token, special summon Surya, make... Okay. Yeah, I should have made Mula Adhara and then Baron. Gold Sark? What the fuck are we doing playing Malice? Hello? Oh, no, okay, it's branded, okay. We'll hold. Okay, that's Altar Aluber. Let's get a normal Aluber. Okay, that's... You can do that. That's fine. Go ahead and draw a card. I'll have Young go back for draw. Normal Aluber. Yeah, we Chisha this. We're gonna banish you. Okay, triple attack. I think we just negate the triple attack. And then he also has the Malice sleeves as well. I don't know if an Ash is enough to do this. Okay, no, we just win. We just win. Okay, it'd be really funny if he's on like fucking like branded Malice or something. I doubt it though. I think he was just like smoke screening with the sleeves. Oh my god, okay. You know, this is not too unnormal. It's like, what the fuck are you doing with 3 Albion, man? Yeah, no. Beast mode, I guess. Like, we just gotta win one more game. I'm going to lock in so fucking hard for this game. Trust. I just need to rank up. I just need to rank up. Oh no, I don't like this. 10 billion titles, going second. Rank up match. Hero mate. We're gonna die. Oh, and it's the live twin field. We're gonna die. Oh my god, Ash, Nib, we're gonna die. Actually, okay, if he is playing hero, then like we might be so back. Rebellion. Okay, that's fine. Go on. Serenir, so he has Magnum in hand. Sure, I'm terrified. Go, you two go home. You two go home. Oh, Shitana. Do I have a line here? I just normal Surya, right? I have no fucking clue what this guy's doing. I'm so terrified. Negate this question mark? So I guess... So this is his Serenir, unless he has something else. Okay, so that's 1, 2. I'm kind of scared. I want to make Yugioh here, but like, okay. We just do the normal line, punch, punch, punch. I still have my normal summon. Okay, yeah, no, this gets me a Tenyi Spirit. So he's gonna Serenir here on the Surya. Right? Question mark? I'm so scared, man. I just need to punch him in the face. I just need to punch him in the face. Okay. It goes through. They're unaffected. Tempted to go straight for flawless perfection, but I think I'm gonna go Tenyi Infinity. Shit. Okay. He can go Beast Shield during the battle phase is the thing. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go... Man. What do I do? Like, dude, he keeps baiting. He keeps like holding the... He keeps threatening the Serenir. What do I do? Send a worm. Add a Tenyi. With a different name. What do I want here? I'll take this, just in case. We'll hold it in hand for now, just so we can actually use it. Battle. Please. Serenir in defense. Right? There it is. Cool. Yeah, so he goes Serenir in defense. Continue attack. And we go Heavenly Dragon Circle. Okay. Retribution. He had nothing else. And then we go Dragon Circle for a game. There's like a 2k in my deck, right? $12, $15, $16. Fuck, we don't have lethal. Shit. I can special summon instead. Damn it, I don't have lethal. Okay, we get Shadana and Grave. Shit. Okay, we can at least go a Shunan. Okay, I'll go Vishto just in case I need removal. I'll just punch you in the face with this. Get you as close to lethal as possible. And then we'll just like link it off. I have 3 Ash Blossoms, man. Okay, so surely this is enough, right? Because we get like draw 2, triple Ash Blossom, Nib. What is this guy gonna do? I don't want to ask that question. End phase. And then Flawless. So we get to draw 2. I guess hand traps. What hand traps do I have actually? That's not a good question to be asking. Just Ash Nib. I mean, I have a Ghost Spell, but it's whatever. I just sit here on my big fat rock. Please don't. Actually, I hope this guy Actually, I don't hope this guy combos the fuck out. There we go. Okay. What was this guy even playing? Okay, we're gonna check real quick. How is that guy even like on his rank match? What the fuck was he even playing? If he was playing anything confident, I feel very sorry for him. Match history. Oh my lord. What the fuck is this list? Okay. Fusion deployment, I guess. He opened only Serenir, I guess. You do not need all this. The ratios for this just feel off. They just feel wrong, you know? Oh yeah, 5 Rainbow. Fucking loser. Okay, let's go crack a pack and then leave. Shop. The Frenzied Tuning. Okay, so in this pack, I actually have a copy of Zaylin as well. I probably should put that on the deck. So we get 2 Rico. 2 Rico, 1 Synchro. More RS. Okay, 10 billion URs. God damn it. There ain't gonna be shit in this pack. I can already smell it. There's a red Nova. They know the tech. Also, I welcome Federation Top 10 where I'm cracking a pack because I'm bored as shit. Come on. Don't care. But yeah, there's gonna be 1 UR and it's gonna be a fucking Black Garden. There's a Track Maker that I don't have to craft. Was there? Did you like? I don't remember. I don't remember if I had 3 or 4. It's whatever. Either way, thank you though. Vice Shark. There's a B2B. Do you even play this? I don't even know if you play that. Cause it's like level 10 or something. I guess I could include 1 just in case. Hey, there's another clip. Yeah, we're on pack 6, ain't shit. Like, there is a couple SR packs, but like, yeah, we ain't gonna see shit. Oh. Speaking of. Oh, yeah, okay, nice, we got a Rico. Like, that's actually really good. I think I have an RS. Like, this is basically playable at this point. I don't have, like, optimal ratios, but I have better ratios than just one of. Okay. There's a RS. Okay. There's a Rico and there's a Synchro in this pack. No. Garden Rose Maiden, cool. I guess I can craft more SRs. Yeah, 1 of Rico is fine, honestly. Give me that. Okay. We're gonna grab the dual pass here. Deck. I think I have... Okay, I probably have, like, enough extra dust as well. 27. Dismantle selected cards. We're gonna get rid of... Okay, I got another Rico. Get rid of Lambda Blade. Get rid of you. Vice Shark. I have an extra one of you. Rose, Garden. I think that's it. I'll keep the B2B. No. I'll keep the B2B. I think that's all I can dismantle. Damn. Okay. So we don't need this. What's it called? Zaylen. Holy shit. Zaylen. Cool tune. So let's get... Okay, I'm missing a Rico, I'm missing a Q, I'm missing a Synchro, missing Overtake. Oh, we have 84. Damn, is there really not another UR I can dismantle? Or SR? Look, I don't need 3 Druid Worm. I don't need 3 lmao. I'll just like fix my other deck later. Okay, so we can craft another rotary. I think I can get by with just like 1 track maker. So there's 10. So now what do we fill the deck with? Huh. Okay. What do we make Zaylen with? Oh, it's just 4 plus 3. I don't even know what's a 4 actually. Yeah, isn't the thing just like make track maker and then end on like remix? And then remix go into crackle? Psyframe. We could just go like, what's it called? Delta? Just go 3 delta, 1 driver? Multi-threader. I guess we could play a multi-threader. No. Okay, so we have like 4 more slots. I guess like evenly. And fucking Monster Reborn. We ball. Okay, let's see. This list is held together by duct tape and cardboard. But like, let's go be evil on ladder. Yeah. Okay, there's like the new selection pack, which is just like hand traps and shit. And like that'll definitely be useful to like continuously pull on when I don't have anything I want to save up for. And going first, you love to see it. You love to see it. And then I just open like all non-engine and I fuck myself. Okay, Q clip. I think Q's the normal summon, right? 3 plus 2. We go this. Special summon. Fua. I think we're fine off of this. We give them like 2 draws and that's completely fine. So Q. Special summon Rotary, right? Because like we need to make track maker. Or okay. Whip Delta. Actually, yeah, we'll just special summon Rotary. Make track maker. And then we just like add synchro. So add, what does this do? So I should have gone Q last, whatever. Look at your opponent's hand, then add a cooldown spell trap. Hello? Also, hi, welcome. Thanks for liking. Okay. So he's Droll. It's Blackwing. Okay. Raider's Wing. Hella starters. So then we go Synchro. He won't be, like, Drolling won't be that useful, because, like, I just add shit. So I have Clip in my hand already, so it's whatever. Let's get rid of that. Yeah. Okay, how does this work? Wait. Q, rotary. Bottom of the deck? Oh, okay. And then we get JJ. Actually, let's get another rotary. And then let's go Synchro and pass. I'll set the evenly matched just in case. But yeah, end phase. So to give him like 2 draws, it's whatever. Oh, we also have Delta to stop the Black Whirlwind. This might just be kind of this shit might be kind of goated. Like he's got 7 cards. He has Droll. Okay. Simoon. Banish a Blackwing, place a Black Whirlwind from your deck. Your face of zone. Normal summon without attributing. Okay, so this is a normal summon. So he still gets a Black Whirlwind. We'll let that through. Okay, I can still look at his hand, right? No. Cool. I will... Okay, Sudri. I don't remember what any of these shooters do. Black Feather Whirlwind. Can I not? While you control no monsters. Okay, cool. Do we have pops? Crackle. RS. I should have made RS sooner. Actually, wait, hold on, who? Clip, it's... Okay, we need to add a guy. Okay, we'll go Synchro here. And we have to add, Rico. And then we Synchro. Oh, we can make Zaylin. Do we make Loudness War? Yeah. Trackmaker. Oh yeah, we go Trackmaker and then Clip. Wait, no, Delta. So we're gonna, okay, so we're making Loudness War. Oh, I forgot to set the fucking, whatever. And then we're gonna go Trackmaker, put back something. This doesn't stop it though. I don't have... I'm gonna put back the Simoon. And then we're gonna Q as soon as we can. Because then like Rico can pop shit. Okay, so that's Sudri. Okay, we're gonna go... Okay, when your opponent activates a card effect. Okay, so we're gonna go Loudness War. Okay, okay, we're gonna hold off on Loudness War. We're gonna do this. Clip. Okay, this is gonna go off anyways. Let's make RS. So with Rico and Clip. Okay, so there's Rico. Black Whirlwind goes off. And a Blackwing. And then I'm gonna... Okay, we're gonna go Clip and then Rico. Also, I welcome if I interrupt him. Let's... Okay. Yeah, let's get rid of the Black Feather Whirlwind. So we get to pop that. We get to hand rip. Extra deck rip. Oh, it's just random. Why do you have a Bardiche? Okay, so we have Loudness War to pop again. When your opponent activates a card effect. I don't know if I want a Loudness War just yet. Ooh. Okay. He doesn't have any normal summons. I actually don't know if he can... So there's no Black Feather. I'm gonna Loudness War when I can. Okay, he summoned Devada. So he can make a Synchro 8. Activate an effect, please. Does this activate effects? Okay, so... Send this card on the field to the graveyard along with... one more... Okay, so he's just hard synchroing. Draco Berserker, okay. Oh, is this chain blocking? Actually, boom. Do this. We banish Rico. And then pop. Also, I should have put this in attack. I don't read. I actually don't read. So he's gonna go Draco Berserker here. He's gonna get rid of my Loudness War, that's fine. I think I can hold my RS. I really should put that in attack. Actually, if he does punch over the RS, I just go evenly, and he has to banish something. Do I even do anything after this? There goes my RS. And then we just go evenly. What are you gonna do? He's probably gonna keep the Draco Berserker? Yep. So he does that. I can still Drew a Swarm. Can I not? Hello? Oh, I was like locked into only tuners, that's why. Oh my god. I think I can actually just make Zaylin here, right? Oh. I think I'm fucked actually. I just have to wait till I draw more cool tunes. God damn it. This is what happens when you're a bad pilot. Oh, it just banishes it, okay. If I normal rotary, that does nothing. I think I just scoop, yeah, he just goes full combo, goddamn. Okay, I'm gonna go piss, and then I'll go back to studying. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. Well, never mind, I guess my little brother's in the bathroom. Alright. Kill you. There we go. Okay, where was I? So, I went over like stacks and queues and shit. Rate of function next to last. I just gotta keep a prev while iterating through it. Give me a Q class. Bunch of descriptions. Rating recursive functions are probably gonna take the most time. Sorry, welcome to Finish Button. Beautiful binary tree. Okay, draw the binary search trees. I should probably practice like drawing binary search trees. Okay, so let's go here. Okay, so we have 60, 15, 34, 861, 490, 16, 7, 63, and then 015, 863, 34, 760, 416, 61, 9. Okay, so this, that, okay. So if this is the left, shit, how do I do this again? Okay, so let me go back to my browser. University of Perloreno. Oh, let me kill the window capture real quick just in case. And then do it later. Comp sci. Class website. Lectures. Binary search trees. And then constructing a binary search tree, traversing trees. Pre-order, in order, post order. Examples, traversals, local practice, traversals, traversals. Identify the root, identify the nodes that go to the left and to the right. Okay, so the left and the right are at the same size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, huh. Okay, so okay, so like left, so the root is 60. Left, right. Fuck. Okay. So given the pre-order list and the on-order list, we have the root, tree left, tree right. So okay. Okay, so if I were to like, what's it called? So if I have like 1, 2, 3. This is the root. This is to the left, this is to the right, so it's like 2 and then 3. What the frig? Oh. Oh. Okay, no, these aren't part of the same problem. It's... Okay, so 60... I'm an idiot. I'm actually an idiot. Okay, so it's like these individually. So 16, 15, 34, 8. Wait. Okay, no. It's... Okay, so it's 60, 15, 34, 8, 61, 4, less, greater, 9, 0, 16, 7, 63. So this is A. I'm actually so stupid. B is 0, 15, 8, 63, greater, less, 34, greater, less, 7, greater, less, 60, greater, less, 4, greater, less, 16, greater, less, 61, greater, less, there. That's what that tree looks like. Okay, I'm an idiot. Okay, so given the following binary tree, 20, 10, 22, 5, 15, 25, 23, 26. Oh, there's like also solutions anyway, so. Okay, so pre-order, in order, post, and then breadth first. Okay, breadth first should be easy. It's just like 20, 10, 22, 5, 15, 25, 23, 26. So pre-order, so pre is node left, right. So node left, node left, node left, node left, right. So then right is 22. So node left, right, node left, right. Okay, so in order is left node right. So it's gonna be, so left node right. So it'll be 10, left node right. There's nowhere left, so node right. Shit. Okay, so left node right. Left node right. So 5 node right. So it'd be 5, 15. 10, 20. Right. Okay. Right. Left node. Okay, so this is the right. So left none node, so 22. Right. 25. So it'll be 23. 25. 26. I'm going to be horribly wrong. So it's going to be left right node. So left right. So left right node, so left right node, left. 5, 15. That is not a 15, by the way. 10, 20. So then right. Right, right. So it's not, would this not be like 26, 23, 25, 22? Okay, I'm gonna check. This is gonna be miserably wrong. This is question 23. Okay, so let's see what we did. So 23 is 20 times 5. Yep. 20 times 5, 15, 22. Oh, this should be 22. 22, 25, 23, 26. Nice. So in order, 5, 10, 15. What? Oh. In is left node right. Left node right. Ugh. 20, 22, 23, 25, 26. Okay. So how did I process this left side wrong? So it's left node right, left node right. So left node right. Okay. That's how I did it wrong. So for post is 5, 15, 10, 23. Oh, right, because 20 happens last. So it's 23, 26. So it's 23, 26, 22. 20. Okay, so we gotta do post again. So breadth was really easy. 10, 22, 5, 15, 23, 26, 24. Okay, so let's do post order again. Post order is like the what I understand the least. Okay, so post. So it's left right node. So 20, left first. Left first. So it goes left, then we're focusing on 10. 10 is left right node. Should be 5, 15, 10. Did I not get that shit wrong? 5, 15, 10. So then left right node. Should be 25. 23. 26. 22, 20. Okay, so post order. So 5, 15, 10. Yes. 23, 26. Okay. 5, 15, 10, 23, 26. Oh, 23, 26, 25. Because like left, right, no. Okay. And then 22, 20. So let's do that one more time. So it's post. So left, right node. So it's left. So then 5, 15, 10. So on the right. Oh, so right, right. 23, 26, 25. Then 22, 20. Okay, cool. Okay, so given the pre-order, okay. Yeah, so these ones are the ones where it's like given the pre-order in order transversals. So when you're done, write the post order and breadth first transversals. Okay, so 9, 2, 4, 5, 3, 8, 7. 4, 2, 5. 9, 8, 3, 7. Is that a 7? Yes. Okay. So this is the root. Left, right, left, right. So it's gonna be 9, 4. This is like, so pre is like node, left, right, node, left, right. And then it's gonna be 8, 3. Oh. Wait. Okay, so shit. Left, right. So 3 in left, right. So it's gonna be 9, 2, 4, 5. This is going to be incredibly wrong. So then U. So it's gonna be shit. Okay, what do the solutions look like? Hold on. This is question 22. So 9, 2, and oh, okay. 9, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay. Because this is in order, it's a pre-order in order. So it's gonna be 9, 2, 3. Oh, this isn't like a sorted binary tree. I'm an idiot. So 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 7. Okay. So then for this bigger one. Oh boy. Okay. So it's 12, 9, 66, 66, 9, 54, 99, 54, 12, 3 minus 15, minus 15, 3, 6, 60, 30, 30. So 30, 30, 60, 15. 33, 33, 15, 6. Okay. So 12, 12. Oh boy. So left is this. Right is the same size. So 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. Left, right. Fuck, I'm so lost. Okay, let's just start. So it's like 12. So the left side is this. So it's gonna be... Shit. Oh, I'm an idiot. Hold on. There. So we have 9 in the middle. So 4, 2, so it's in order. So it's 9. To the left is 66. Left and then right. So it's 99, 54 to the right. I say 99. So it's left, right. So it's 54. And then 99. So then we have this. It's like 3 minus 15. And we have this, where it's like 6 is the root. Oh, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. That. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's all to the left. So it's like 60. 30, 60. Okay, so here. 30, 60. So 30 is to the left. And 60 to the left. And to the right is 15, 33. 33 on the right. This is gonna be so wrong. Okay, so this was question 22. So it starts with 12, 9, 3, okay. So 9, 66, I got it wrong here. So it's 99.54. It's like, yeah. So roots, and then to the left is 54. So given that information, so it's 315, 630, 60, root, and then to the left. I actually got that less wrong than I thought I would. Okay, let's do it again. So it's 12, 66, 9, 9, 66, 54. This is all just, I was doing that all purely off of vibes. 54, 12, 3 minus 15, minus 15, 3, 6, 60, 30, 30, 60, 15, 33, 33, 15 minus 6. Okay, so 12 and 12 are the roots. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this, and then 6. Why is this minus 6? Oh, it's not minus 6, it's just the circle, whatever. 6, 6. Okay, so I'll start with this. So it's 12. And then it's here, root. So it's 9. So to the left is 66. And then, so this is the left, this is the right. So it's root, root. So it's 99.54 to the left. It's like left, left, right. So then we have 3, and then to the left is minus 15. And then to the right, our root is 6. 30 is the root. Okay, 30 is the next root. 30 is to the left. And then to the left is 30, 60. So this is the left. So then to the right, 33 is the root. Yeah, 33 is the root, and then to the left is 15. Did I get that? Okay, I missed a layer. Okay, so 30 is the root. So it's that, and then 30 is the roots, and then it's 30, 33, 15. Also, hi, welcome if famous popped in. Not right now, Sheena. Okay, but yeah. Okay, let me do that one more time. 12, 66, 9, 9, 66, 54, 99, 99, 59, 12, 3, minus 15, minus 15, 3, 6, 60, 30, 30, 60, 15, 33, 33, 15, 6. Okay. So starting off, we got boom, boom. So these 4 to the left. So it's gonna be 12. The root is 9. Okay, so the root of the left is 9. It's gonna be 9. To the left of 9 is 66. So this is to the left. So then it's gonna be 99 to the right, and 99 is the roots. 99, and then 54 to the left. So then the right root is this. So it's gonna be 3. And then to the left is minus 15. And to the right is 6, which is the next root. So it's 6. And then the node to the left is 30. And to the left of 30 is 60. And to the right of 30, okay, 60. So then to the right of 30 is 33. And then to the left is 15. So it's 12, 9, 3, 66, 99, minus 15, 6, 54 off of 99, 30, 60, 33, 15. Okay, so I can draw binary trees now. Okay. What time is it? It's 11. I think, yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. So I have enough rest for tomorrow. I think having rest is like equally as important. But yeah, thanks for hopping in, anyone who may be here. Right now YouTube's telling me there's one lurker. Thank you for lurking. And yeah, that's gonna be it for now. Have a good day, morning, day, night, evening. I've been Tearlaments Suureva. Hopefully I do well on my test tomorrow. I should have studied a lot. I should have studied a lot more. But it's like, it is what it is, I guess. I'm like a bum. It's whatever. But yeah. Anyways. Maybe like tomorrow after my quiz I'll like come back home and like talk about my week. But yeah. So that'll be it. I had a pretty fun week today. But yeah. Fun week this week. Yeah, tomorrow? There's a lot going on this week actually. Like good stuff. Tomorrow I'm picking up like parts of the Memento. I'm building Memento IRL. Next week I'm actually gonna go to my local go to my locals and then like trade. I got like starlights from the legendary modern decks. I'm gonna trade that in. I'll probably get around like 70-ish bucks, and like I'll make back whatever I spent at that store already, and then also be able to buy a combined creation, and then I'll see if I can buy the rest online, and then what's it called? What's it called? Yeah, I have my dad's birthday on Saturday, which is super nice. And then, what's it called? Yeah. Alright, but yeah. Damn, I can't believe it's Friday already, man. My weeks have been going by so much faster. Also, thanks for liking if anyone did. I don't know if anyone did. But, like, what's up? My week has been going by pretty fast. Like, I just don't go to class on, like, Tuesday, Thursday, because I only have, like, one class, and I only really have, like, the one class. And like gas prices are like kicking me in the ass right now, so it's like I'd rather not go in. Like I'd rather not spend a whole round trip on one class. But what's it called? You know. Anyway, hello. Hello. All right, let me do this. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for hopping in. Hopefully I don't fucking die tomorrow. Anyway, bye bye. Bye bye. Oh right, I gotta download something. I'm gonna do it live. I'm kidding. Nope. Get out of here.